One of the things that's a challenge for a lot of companies is figuring out where content sits in their conversion funnel and how to get more people to convert from the content that they're creating. So um, we've seen this a lot, and I think one of the key things to look at is what channels are driving people in and what's the user intent on the site. I see way too many subscribe to our newsletter calls to action on the site and not enough calls to action that are relevant to the user that's come into the site. So a good example of this is if you're selling invoice software and somebody's trying to figure out how they what the fields that they should have on their invoice are. You get users to land on the blog post that's talking about the different information that they should be supplying on the invoice, then having a link to an invoice generator or something like that they could click through to create their account and immediately land in the account with an invoice that's already made for them with all the fields that they were looking for and their information inside. So I think there are a lot of really cool tools that people should be leveraging in order to kind of bridge the gap between the blog post, capturing the lead, and then getting the user into the product in a product-led model. It still works for non-product-led models where you're looking to qualify the people through sales, getting them to kind of different CTAs that still kind of show intent and capture that intent and get the user to become more interested in your product and knowing how it can help them.